What is up, you guys? It's your girl Mike Hannah, and today I am back with another video. You know what I'm saying? So today we are doing we're doing a frontal wig. It's kinky curly, if I'm not mistaken. It's from Arabella Hair. So I'm showing you guys right now everything that came with the hair. So it came in this really cute little bag, and it gave me a pearl bracelet thing. I don't know what that was, but yeah, it gave me some wig caps. These are actually very thin. I loved them with all my heart. They gave me a headband, which was really cute, an edge brush, which came in handy throughout this whole video, and they gave me this cute behind little golden crystal thingy majigger. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna put my wig cap all over my eyes and everything and make myself look like I'm robbing a bank. So yeah, and I could not see anything, but I just like sprayed like my hairline so that when I cut why it look like that? That look nasty. Look at my face. I'm sorry. But I just sprayed so that when I cut it, you know how it like runs and stuff. I didn't want it to run and then rip, so I spray it before I cut it so that it doesn't run and then mess up the whole thing, right? So that's what I basically just did. I'm just using the Got to Be Glue spray. By the way, when y'all are cutting the eyes out, if y'all do this part, please do not just like try to cut without pulling up the wig cap, because I did that because I thought that there would be some space. No, I cut my eye. I just pinched it and it really hurt. But yeah, don't do that. Y'all, my acne is so visible when I do this and I hate it. Cause I'm like, dang, people really do be hitting hard for no reason. It does not have business doing that. But anyways, off topic. Get a blow dryer, put it on high heat, high blow, all that, so it can dry faster. And yeah, but I freeze spray my eyebrow. Don't mind. This was made at like 12 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. But anyways, that's basically what I did, and I just kept blow drying, and I didn't pull my shirt up. Don't mind that though. But yeah, you're gonna cut it off, and then yeah, just peel it up to where your hairline is, and like cut it off, because you don't want it to be too far away from your hairline, because then it's gonna like your forehead is like 2 fingers wide, unless your forehead is actually 2 fingers wide. But if it's not, cut it to where your hairline is so it doesn't look weird, like in like this other video I did with a highlight wig. Like that wig cap was way too far from my forehead. I looked nasty, but it's okay. But yeah, let me stop talking now. So this is the next morning. I look sick, but anyways, here goes the wig. It's customized and all that, yeah. And now I'm just putting Got Speak Glue gel all over my wig cap and my forehead, both of them, so that why did I do this? I saw it in a YouTube video, that's why I did it. But then you're gonna blow dry it on cool, and then low blow, okay? And then you're gonna lay your lace down and then comb it back onto the glue to get it all up and through there, because you want it to lay, right? Okay. Then get some freeze spray to get it extra secure and blow dry it on high heat so that it can dry and really be in sync with your head. And do that to all the other sections, okay? Oh, and don't forget to cut the ears. But I advise you guys to cut the ears carefully, because if you cut like too at an angle, the wig cap under will show and it will look nasty. So make sure you cut like straight up. That didn't really make sense, but I think y'all know what I mean when I say that, okay? Then put an elastic band on. If you don't have one, I advise you get one, or you can just use like a bandana or a regular scarf. But elastic bands really do be doing oh wow, they really be doing what you need to be done. So wait, did that make sense either? No, but they do what they need to do, okay? Then you're gonna blow dry it to make sure that it really gets dry while it's getting something pressed on it, you know what I mean? And then I just got some other this other type of freeze spray. It's like regular hairspray. It's not sticky or anything, so that helps. So I just spray it on there to really get the type of crease part thing that I want on my wig or whatever. And yeah, let me stop talking because I can't even speak any proper English. So bye. Then you're just gonna cut the lace off. Make sure you cut it in zigzag so it don't look nasty. I haven't really perfected the zigzag thing yet because I be forgetting to just be cutting across and I be getting mad at myself. So make sure you cut in zigzag, and make sure you cut in zigzag so it can look like it's in your scalp and not just a wig. You know? Okay. Then I take this little makeup pad thing I have to get it really like makeup-y so it looks like my skin. But I have yet to figure out what my skin foundation thingy is. So we're just going to follow along on this journey with me. But then get some alcohol and rub like the excess glue and all that nasty stuff off your forehead so it don't look nasty. But now I'm doing my edges. So basically I just put out a piece that I wanted because I didn't want to customize the edges on the wig because that don't be working for me. So I just plucked it to make it look like fine, and then I cut it so that it can be short, and then I pin it away so I can do the other one. And yeah. Then I take some Style Factor Edge Control. People use foam, but I'd be scared of my lace gonna lift, so I just use Edge Control. I just use Edge Control. So yeah, it's really just like a trial and error thing. You do it to when you like it, so just play with them until they look like you like them. So yeah. Now I'm using a combination of leave-in conditioner and mousse. I use TGIN Rose Water Leave-In Conditioner and Nairobi Hair Mousse. Nairobi is goated. Yeah, right. Nairobi is goated. I suggest you use it. It's kind of expensive. No, I'm not gonna lie, it's very expensive. So I ain't gonna buy it again. But I do like it a lot. And I highly recommend the paddle brush because it's really good on this hair. So what you will do with this hair is you drench your hair in water, add leave-in conditioner, brush it out with the paddle brush, then add the mousse, brush it with the paddle brush, and scrunch, and it's gonna dry pretty, y'all. It's gonna dry so nice. It's gonna air dry so nice. I did it the second time. I didn't do it this time, but I did it the second time and I really liked how it came out. So yeah, just do that. And per usual, I did not film an outro. However, I did take a bunch of pictures from my Instagram because I usually don't film an outro because I be doing other stuff and then be forgetting. But I'm gonna remember next time, I promise. These are some pictures from the whole entire wig I used. This was my favorite style, but yeah.